Alright, I went through and pulled all that concrete up. Next I'm gonna kind of start at the top, I think, and push it to a pile at the bottom and then load it into the truck. So this is quite the job. You can see all the concrete up there and going back down to the truck.
We could be okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright, the stone got here before I could take a video of this, but you see I got all the concrete out and got this drive leveled up. You can see the difference now. So I'm working on the top of the hill now, power raking that area, but that's what that looks like. I'm doing 53s. Now here's a 53 stone. You can see the dust in it. That's the difference, 53s to like 8. It's got 53's got the dust in it, so it compacts down. Here's the finished product. Satisfied customer. Concrete's gone. And I used a 53 stone on this one to hold on the driveway. So there you go. Looks pretty good. Thanks for watching.